You're a 2-year-old. You're a 4-year-old. Would you let them drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
You're an unborn baby. You're giving that child alcohol. You're giving that child drugs.
When this pregnant mother admitted she was still using drugs during an active CPS case, the judge warned that every choice she made was also harming the baby in her womb.
State of Texas versus Galaxy Guerrero Alvarez. Did you understand you're charged with injury to a child elderly disabled with intentional bodily injury? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
My client is 4 months pregnant at the current. I asked the court to follow the recommendation of the state, which is deferred adjudication in this case. It'll give us a 4-year window of time in order to make sure that she stays off of drugs and stays on the narrow path.
All right, so what's happening with your CPS case?
It's still going. I just finished one class and I'm currently on drug tests and, I'm doing good with those 3 months. And once I, do eventually get out, I'm still going to do those 3 other classes that
How many children do you have?
I have 2,
What are their ages?
4 and 2.
And how old are you?
I'm 24.
Here's the issue with the court. You already had a CPS case pending.
Yes.
And you pick up this case. And according to the person who was trying to help you, you've been drinking alcohol at that time and still using drugs. Do you have any idea what drinking alcohol and doing drugs does to your unborn child?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, let me ask you this, because people say that and they really don't internalize it. Let me ask you this. You're a 2-year-old. You're a 4-year-old. Would you let them drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Well, guess what? You're an unborn baby. You're giving that child alcohol. You're giving that child drugs. That has to stop, because I've done CPS cases before and I represented children before.
Yes, ma'am.
And you know what ends up happening when children are born addicted to drugs? They go through withdrawals. Have you ever gone through withdrawal?
No.
Well, let me just explain to you what ends up happening. What ends up happening is babies are in pain because they're going through withdrawals. They are craving what you've been giving them, alcohol and drugs. They have shakes. They are just constantly, it looks like seizures, and they are in major, major pain. So you're going to have to change your ways. If you do not, what's going to end up happening is you're going to lose custody of all your children.
That's
You
fine.
understand? Now, if you don't want to be a mom for them, you can sign your rights away.
No, ma'am. I have all of my rights.
So that's what I'm telling you. You had better start looking out for more than yourself, because guess what? Your 2-year-old and 4-year-old, you can't just send them to Travis Park and say good luck to you. And when you are using and you're not clean and sober, guess what? You are sending them to Travis Park and saying good luck to you.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
the equivalent of what you're doing. So you're going to have to change. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The court is going to sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication. There's a $1,500 fine.
The judge gave her one last chance instead of prison. The real question is, will she change before it's too late? For herself and for her children? What do you think? Let us know in the comments.